When thinking about adding a surveillance system to your home, office, or business, many people ask, why do I need one? And what can it do for me? Today, we'll talk about one of the most powerful and efficient features of modern surveillance systems, motion recording. It allows cameras to record only when motion is detected, reducing unnecessary footage while ensuring critical events are captured. Optimizing motion recording helps save on storage, bandwidth, and enhances your surveillance system's overall efficiency. Check out our guide on various media profiles for ONVIF cameras in Banalytics blog. Today's side-by-side test will rely on the motion detection profile from it. In this tutorial, we'll compare how different media profiles perform for motion recording. We'll look at video quality, CPU load, and the resulting file size for each profile performing the same actions. Here, we compare the video quality of each media profile. You'll see the clarity of the footage and how different settings affect the final video output. From low to high resolutions, the profiles vary in terms of compression and detail retention. Here, we compare the video quality of each media profile. You'll see the clarity of the footage and how different settings affect the final video output. From low to high resolutions, the profiles vary in terms of compression and detail retention. Now, let's look at the CPU load during motion detection for each profile. Some profiles require more processing power due to higher resolution or bitrate, while others balance efficiency with lower resource consumption. Lastly, we compare the file sizes of the recorded footage for each media profile. As you can imagine, higher resolution and bit rates will result in larger file sizes. Choosing the right profile for your needs is critical in managing storage efficiently. That's it. You see how motion recording settings can make a huge difference in performance and efficiency.